Guys, CN Fishing here, and we are here at this lovely marina, and we're going to be fishing for trout, brown trout, and perch today. Hopefully we get some fish, but stay tuned, maybe we can get some. Guys, Nick's got a brown trout, it's splashing everywhere. I'm just going to net this fish quickly. Come on, Emily. Here, Emily, take the video, I'll net it. Okay, Nick, we're in close.
I want to get a little fight out of it.
Yeah, no, Nick, just running it. Okay, come towards me. Come towards me.
He's not the water.
Got it!
Okay. Need some help? Need some help where you want?
No. Alright, end the video. No! I got it.
Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? So Chris just got this nice Chinook salmon, also known as king salmon. It's probably about a 20-pounder. And it looks like a female, which is already spawned. And yeah, we're gonna get a release on her now. Okay, you want to take it up for a picture?
Yeah. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna release this 20-pounder. Such a nice fish.
Yeah, it's probably 20-pounder.
Woo.
Okay, come on, buddy.
Wait for her to kick.
Yeah, okay. Okay, yeah, she's giving a little tension. Go.
Come on.
Ooh, that's cool. Take a minute here.
Hey guys, we caught a ginormous salmon
As
here.
you see, there's another lure in him right there.
Yeah, there's another lure in him. So yeah, big fish.
Met spinner.
Met spinner. We're gonna let him go. All right.
Okay, I'm seeing if I can pick him up.
Yeah, fish now. 22 pounds.
There we go.
There we go.
He's uninjured.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the other lure's still in him. Somebody snagged him.
We should take that out. All right, so stay tuned. We'll catch some more fish. Guys, we just finished up the day. Really sunny. Starting to come to the end of the day. It's about 3:45 right now, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. We caught a couple fish. This is probably gonna be our last time out here. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this. Please like, comment, and subscribe.